ADAPT-ABI 2012 is bridge design software with 4D construction sequencing and time-dependent analysis. The latest version of ADAPT-ABI contains a true 3D modeling interface with 4D construction sequencing capabilities and complete nonlinear analysis using time-dependent material properties. The main graphical interface of ADAPT-ABI now contains a true 3D environment to model a structure. This includes the modeling of any component, piers, segments, stays, or tendons. These can be modeled in an isometric view, a front view, a top view, or a side view. Modeling can be performed in both the regular view or also a developed view. The program includes a powerful 4D engine to capture the nonlinear time-dependent behavior by modeling multiple stages or days for the construction sequencing. The program allows the user to set and define material types for concrete, pre-stressing, cable stays, and mild steel, all of which have an effect on the time-dependent behavior of the structure. The latest version of ADAPT-ABI 2012 also includes improved performance in the 3D modeling space for meshing a structure, file generation, and also opening large files and saving those files. Several performance parameters were tested among 5 different models in ADAPT-ABI 2012. These include opening a file, generating a mesh, generating an input file, and also switching to developed view. Each of the models varied between the phases, node numbers, frames, and also tendons. It can be seen that the processing speed for each of the parameters was reduced between 2009 and ABI 2012. Performance speeds for the parameters tested significantly improved, most notably for input generation and also for switching to developed view. The program also includes improved traveler modeling input and graphics for traveler movement and sequencing. Enhancements have been made to the main graphical interface of ADAPT-ABI 2012 for traveler input. The user can select any of the travelers assigned to the structure, select the Schedule tab, the days for construction sequence, the associated steps, and also the status are shown for those days. Any of the travelers can then be assigned to specific cells located in the structure. Cycling through the project browser, step by step, we can see traveler movement in the main graphical interface window. The results viewer also clearly shows traveler movement and any associated action or displacement assigned in the results viewer window. The program also includes a new report generator with customizable detailed and compact reports. After the analysis of a model has been completed, we can select Reports, and Report Generator will become active. The Report Generator window includes the left-hand side with a list of all sections and also the right-hand side with a list of selected sections used to create a new report. If we expand this function, we can see that there are options such as Report Cover, Table of Contents, Structure, which can be expanded to include other options, Construction and Solution Data. This can be expanded to include any stage solution, non-time-dependent solutions including the base load, post-tensioning, long-term, and the current combination, friction and elongation, and also torsion. Any number of these reports can be selected to create a customized report. Once we've selected the desired reports, we can create a new report. We can also save this report as a template, remove the template, or save as default. By selecting Create New Report, the report will open in a Word document. We can save the document name, and the document will open. The document now contains those selected items from the Report Generator window. The user now has the option to allow the program to automatically generate constraints or to manually generate constraints by suppressing the first option. The user can also easily define applied displacements. From the Process menu, we can select Options, and the user can now add an automatic restraint between a pair or segment. If the option is deselected, the user can define the restraint manually. After defining point supports, we can select any point support and open its property window. Under the Displacements tab, we now have the option to add an applied displacement, add a day or step, give this a load case assignment, and add a displacement either in the X, the Z, or rotation about the Y-axis. ADAPT-ABI 2012 is also fully compatible with AutoCAD 2012 for the import and export of DWG and DXF files. Any structural view in ADAPT-ABI's main graphical interface can be exported to AutoCAD 2012 from File, Export, DWG, or DXF. We'll select AutoCAD 2007 as the version, select OK, and we'll save the model as a file name with the DWG extension. In the AutoCAD environment, we can select the file previously saved, and now we have options for different views for this particular file. We can go to Top View, Bottom View, Left or Right Views, and also Isometric Views. Files generated and saved in AutoCAD 2012 can be opened and imported in ADAPT-ABI 2012. From the File menu, we can import the AutoCAD 2012 drawing file by selecting Import, DWG, DXF. We'll select the file to be imported and change the views, select OK, and now we can calibrate the drawing that was imported into ABI 2012. Accelerate your bridge design process by taking advantage of these new features and enhancements in ADAPT-ABI 2012. Bridge design software with 4D construction sequencing and time-dependent analysis.